Got anything on you? You got a knife or a gun?
Nothing on me.
Alright. You want to check my rope? Yeah. What's your name? Ron. He's advising his name is Jonathan Costa.
Jonathan Costa and Logan.
Where's Logan?
He's not here. I have no idea where he is.
Where'd you drop him off at?
Subject back. Put him in your vehicle. He's not here. He's not in Florida.
Alright,
10-4 is going to say.
Escort him back.
Alright, let's go. Copy. What's that? You want to link up with them, Jax? You want to link up with them?
You want to give me your key fob and you can stay with searching them?
Well, I'll do it because I gotta. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I gotta get more cuffs, anyways. My car's still there. I would prefer to put them on the other side.
Am I hitting drops Rhode Island? Oh, my, no idea. You got charges all across the East Coast. So.
Alright.
I shut the radio off.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the air on back in.